Here we have a 2020 Toyota Highlander LE. And this one comes in Blizzard Pearl on gray cloth interior. It's got that 3.5 liter V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Got your LED headlamps and daytime running lights. "18-inch aluminum wheels. Got passive keyless entry on the front two doors. Power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. And as part of your Toyota safety sense, you've got your automatic high beams along with your power hatch button here. And there's your power driver seat. And very good rear seat room in the second row, and it's a bench seat, but very, very comfortable for a full-size adult. And then you've got your rear AC controls. You can also make it automatic as well. And then you've got two USB ports down there. And your second row has cup holders. And there's a quick look at your third row. And there's your rear seat belt for that side, and then for that side, as you can see. And then to pull the seat down, hold on to that, and then just push it. Then to pull back up, just pull up, and there you have it. And there's your passenger seat there. And there's your home screen. You've got AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. Then you've also got Apple CarPlay. And there's your backup camera. It's got a little blur there because it's raining outside. Here you've got your dual zone automatic climate controls. And there is your gear shifter. Got sport, normal, and eco. Then you can toggle your auto stop on and off. You've got snow mode, electronic parking brake along with your brake hold. Pretty nice key fob here. For storage, got a pretty deep pocket. And you've got a pocket in here, and then you've got your glove compartment here, and it's full of owner's manuals. And over here you can control your gauge cluster. and scroll through several options. And over here you've got your lane departure, and then you've got your gap adjust for your radar cruise control. And there's your push button start. And there's your 3.5 liter V6. And now it's time to go ahead and take this Highlander out on the road for a test drive. So far, a very smooth ride from the Highlander. I've got the radar cruise control on now, and it's keeping a safe distance between myself and the car in front of me. And so far, this car is handling very well in the rain. Coming around corners, accelerating, all of that. And the ride is still very smooth. And even though these are the cloth seats, the seating is very comfortable for it to be a cloth seat. And the way it rides is really, really good. I like how I'm sitting up in the seat. I like how the seat's holding me right now. The steering wheel feels great. And the ride position, in terms of the height, is absolutely perfect. I don't feel like I'm up too high, but I don't feel like I'm down too low either. put it in sport mode to accelerate on the interstate. And really good pickup. So I've got the lane tracing assist on, along with the radar cruise control. So pretty much almost autonomous, which is great. Of course, you have to keep your hands on the steering wheel, but it's crazy how far vehicles have come just in terms of being able to drive themselves. Now, I don't recommend doing this. I'm just kind of showing you. I'm staying alert, but I'm just trying to show how the vehicle really is doing the work. So even when it's wet out, it still holds its traction. And that's my review of the 2020 Toyota Highlander LE.